Now, the BJP is set to hold a meeting in the UP state headquarters today. The party's election in charge and Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and the team of co-in-charges will chalk out the election strategy with the leaders of the state. Now, in this meeting, a strategy will be prepared for elections with office bearers. Let's go across to Madhurima for more on this. Madhurima, good morning. Madhurima, give us more details of what you are learning about this meeting. We are told that the election strategy for the UP elections will perhaps be looked upon today.
Well, good morning to you too, Nupur. And yes, it's a very crucial day in Uttar Pradesh for the Bharatiya Janata Party because a very crucial meeting will be held at the BJP's UP headquarters there, where Dharmendra Pradhan will be taking some very crucial decisions regarding the election strategy of the Bharatiya Janata Party. They will be chalking out the future plan because we know that these elections are inching closer, and we'll see by the end of the parliament session, we'll be seeing multiple rallies being held all across Uttar Pradesh. BJP is in election mode, and to take such decision, it takes a lot of brainstorming, and that is what is going to happen today, Nupur, where Dharmendra Pradhan will be chalking out the strategy for the future course of action of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We are seeing that multiple rallies have already been begun. We saw that the Prime Minister addressing at the Jewar Airport. We are seeing Yogi Adityanath every second day at one place or another delivering speeches. So to put it in a further more aggressive gear, this particular meeting is being held. We'll have to wait and watch, Nupur, as to what comes out of this particular meeting.
Absolutely, as Madhurima is reporting on that from Uttar Pradesh. Thank you for joining us, Madhurima. She's, of course, taking us through the key decisions that are likely to be taken in that meeting.